Hi, yeah. I'm here today at Speaker's Corner. Nice sunny day. No one else is here though, yeah? And so I'm gonna go home. But I will be back. And I will continue to be back to promote justice, Mr. Fuller's work, Mr. Fuller's book. But it's interesting how there's no one here. Seems like if people are not paid to be here, then they won't turn up. Yeah, but there's no racism taking place in the park today, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so I can go home and enjoy the rest of my day. Speaker's Corner 2020. What's the date today? 5th. The 5th of April, and you can see the park is completely empty. And I've been here for a few hours, so yeah, no one didn't even turn up. No cameras, nothing. So yeah, I think Speaker's Corner was shut at the beginning of the year, and as you can see, it's practically shut now as well, even though there's people walking about in the park. It's historical, and I don't think a lot of people realise that. Like, the park has been here for a long time and has never been shut. The speakers have always been allowed to speak. There's a sign, which I will show you, at the front of the park, talking about social distancing, of course. And yeah, this is the sign. And so it looks like if people can't turn up for foolishness, then they won't. And there's no group gatherings, of course. And they're making it hard for people to turn up for foolishness. But the fact that no one has turned up at all means that no one obviously has anything important to say.